Getting rich isn't a guaranteed path, but there are definitely strategies you can follow to increase your chances of building significant wealth. Here's a breakdown of some key areas to focus on. Financial discipline. Save early and automate. The power of compound interest is immense. Start saving consistently as early in your career as possible, and consider automating your contributions to savings or retirement accounts. This ensures you're putting money away regularly, regardless of your spending habits in the moment. Live below your means. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat away at your progress. Avoid unnecessary spending and focus on building wealth. Before significantly increasing your standard of living, growing your income, invest in yourself. Upskilling through additional education or certifications can open doors to higher-paying jobs or freelance opportunities. Side hustle. Explore generating additional income streams through a side hustle that leverages your skills and interests. This could be freelancing, online businesses, or creative endeavors. Investing. Start early and stay invested. Like saving, the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. Choose a diversified portfolio of assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to manage risk. Educate yourself. While professional financial advisors can be helpful, understanding the basics of investing empowers you to make informed decisions. There are many resources available online and in libraries to get you started. Building wealth through business. Business ownership. Starting a successful business can be a path to significant wealth creation. However, it requires dedication, hard work, and comes with inherent risks. Real estate. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative strategy, but requires knowledge of the market and ongoing management.